today was pretty much raining all day, but it was super foggy. So I planned to come out. Sorry, I'm just climbing over this cold radiating snow. But so I planned on coming out for sunset because I thought it was going to be foggy or something. But then I was walking Frankie maybe around 3 or something like that, and the sun came out and it was crazy. But then 2 minutes later, it started getting really dark again. We're actually so did I mention that we're supposed to have a tornado? We're under a tornado watch. But check this out. I figured I'd come to the Capitol to get some House of Cardi kind of moody Capitol images, which is pretty cool because the clouds are moving super fast. I feel like I sound like a weather person talking about the weather the whole time, but I mean, bad weather makes the best pictures. So we're gonna be talking about the weather. Oh, another good news. Guess what I have? I have the tripod out with me because I was out during Christmas. I was taking pictures of the Christmas tree that they have at the Capitol, and they said that tripods are allowed all over Capitol grounds. So got the tripod with me, got the camera with me. Right now I'm shooting at that movement into the picture. Walk over to the other side of the Capitol because look at how cloudy it is over there. I bet you I can get some really good pictures from the other side. So I just saw some lightning. Really stormy. Alright, I'm gonna take some pictures. Damn, that was big lightning. I'm gonna try to get it again. Can you guys see it? Sorry, I'm concentrating on taking a video and taking pictures at the same time. Holy crap. I should really head to my car soon. This could be bad. Alright guys, I want to say bye. Can't take my eyes off of it. Hopefully those cops behind me will let me get into the car. Okay, I'm going to try to run to the other side real quick before it gets too bad. Holy crap, can I just say that was intense and I'm soaked. I love it when no one has walked on the snow yet. It's so pretty. That guy's riding a bike in the snow.